Hello everyone, I am Simranpreet Kaur and today I am going to demonstrate drawing to scale lesson. So let's begin with the lesson. When we are doing drawing to scale, then there are some instructions that need to be followed and some things that need to be memorized. The first one is that there are four main scales and these are 1 by 4 inch is equal to 1 feet, 1 by 2 inch is equal to 1 feet, 3 by 4 inches is equal to 1 feet and 1 feet is equal to 1 feet. When we are drawing, then the most important thing that needs to be kept in mind is that the one at the left side is to draw and the one at the right side is to convert. For example, in this example, 1 by 4 is to draw and 1 is to convert. Also, we need to remember that 12 inches are always equal to 1 feet, and when we are drawing or when we are doing calculations, then it's important to keep in mind that what we can draw on our drawing. So we can draw 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 and 1 by 32. Okay, the steps that we need to follow while doing our calculation are, the first one is that we need to convert inches to feet, and then the next step is to multiply our measurement by our scale, and then we need to write down the final measurements so that we don't confuse while drawing, and the last one is to draw by using a ruler. Also, when we are at our final step and we are drawing the scale, then always write the original measurement that we are given in the statement instead of writing the scale measurements that we get. Okay, so let's take an example, and we are given 13 feet 4 inches by 14 feet 5 inches, and the scale we are provided with is 1 by 2 inches is equal to 1 feet. So the very first step is that we need to convert inches to feet. So to do so, when we are converting the inches to feet, then we need to divide the given number by 12. For example, if we need to convert 4 inches to feet, then we need to divide it by 12 and we will get 1 by 3. So let's begin our calculation, and firstly we will do 13 feet 4 inches. So we can see that 13 is already in feet, so we need to convert 4 inches to feet. So in order to do so, we divide 4 by 12 and we will get 1 by 3, and then it's 14 feet 5 inches, and 14 is already in feet but 5 needs to be converted, so we will divide 5 by 12. The next step is to multiply by our scale, and we are provided with scale that is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 feet, 1 by 2 inches is equal to 1 feet, and in the previous step we got 13 feet. So when we multiply it by 1 by 2, then we will get 13 by 2, and by converting it to mixed fraction we will get 6 1 by 2. Let's consider this as the equation number 1. Then it's 4 inches and we got 1 by 3 in our previous step. So we need to multiply 1 by 3 to 1 by 2 and we will get 1 by 6. But if we see on our ruler that we cannot draw 1 by 6, so we need an equation that can be drawn on the ruler. So we can see, as we discussed earlier, we can draw anything by 4. So we will keep it equals to x by 4. For example, 1 by 6 is equal to x by 4, and when we do cross multiplication and the final result we will get is 0.066, and then we will round it off and the final result is x is equal to 1. Then we will fill the 1 at the place of x, then it's 1 by 4. So consider 1 by 4 as the second equation. Then the final step of multiplication by scale is that we need to combine the equation number 1 and equation number 2 by simply adding. By simply adding and taking HCF or LCM, we can get 6 3 by 4. Okay, now move to the equation number 2 that we have gotten in our equation, that is 14 feet and 5 inches. So we need to multiply 14 by 1 by 2 and we will get 7, and consider 7 as the equation number 3, and then the 5 inches. If we divide 5 by 12 to get feet, and then we need to multiply it by 1 by 2, that is our scale, the final result would be 5 by 24. But we cannot draw 24 on our ruler, 1 by 24 on the ruler, so we know that x by 16 can be drawn. So just take 5 over 24 equals to x by 16 and then perform cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, we get x is equal to 3.33. By rounding it off, we will get x is equal to 4. So put 4 at the place of x and the final answer is 4 by 16. So take it as equation number 4. As we did in the previous step, we can add equation number 3 and 4 and we'll get 7 4 by 16. And to make it the lowest term, we need to divide it by 4, and when we divide 4 by 4, then we get 1, and when we divide 16 by 4, then we get 4. So the final step in our drawing to scale is to write down the final measurements that we got in the previous step. So the final measurement we got was 6 3 by 4 in the form of mixed fraction and 7 by 1 by 4 in the form of mixed fraction. So this is what we need to draw. Here is the final step, that is to draw the scale, and 3 feet 4 inches in original measurement are 6 3 by 4 inches on our ruler, and 14 feet 5 inches in original measurement are 7 1 by 4 inches on the ruler. So this is the picture, and we can get the help of ruler to draw the scale. Here are the handwritten calculations of what I have explained. So, thank you for paying the attention, and I hope this lesson will help you in understanding the concept of drawing to scale. Thanks.